Good morning, children. Yesterday I have told you ADHD. ADHD means attentive deficit hyperactivity disorder. I told you about this yesterday. Now I want to tell you symptoms of ADHD. Now I shall tell you what are the symptoms, what are the signs regarding the ADHD. There are different symptoms of ADHD in different children and adults which are given below. Number one, symptoms in children. Symptoms in children. What are the symptoms are found in the children? Number one, they usually forget about daily activities. They usually forget about their daily activity. Next one, they have difficulties in organizing routine activities. यानी कि they forget to perform their regular activities. Next, they usually indulge in day high dreaming. Day high dreaming means they used to imagine in different areas but they do not think about their work. So they have been forgotten. Next one, they do not like to perform the activities that require sitting still. Next, they are easily distracted. Distracted means to be fall in depression. This is the first sign. Next one, they become restless, they have some problem in playing quickly, they usually talk excessively, they do not pay attention and usually make careless mistakes. So these are the symptoms are to be found in children in ADHD. Symptoms, now topic is symptoms in adult. What are the symptoms are to be found in adult? They have generally anxiety attacks. वो अक्सर किसी एंजाइटी का अटैक हो जाता है उन पे. दे मे बी इम्पल्सिव, वो एरिटेटेड हो जाते हैं, चिड़चिड़े हो जाते हैं. दे हैव बीन प्रॉब्लम इन कंट्रोलिंग एंगर, वो अपने एंगर पे कंट्रोल करने में असमर्थ रहते हैं. दे यूजुअली हैव लो सेल्फ स्टीम, वो अपने आप को ये समझते हैं समाज में हमारी इज्जत नहीं है, हमारा कुछ काम करने का नहीं है. तो दे हैव नो सेल्फ स्टीम. दे आर easily frustrated, is in stress, frustrated. Next one, mood swings and depression are common in such as adult people. They have problem in concentrating, especially while reading, writing and speaking also. Now I am telling you causes of ADHD. क्यों हमको ये इस तरह की शॉर्टकमिंग आती है, तो हम बता रहे हैं आपको. द एग्जैक्ट काज ऑफ ADHD इज अननोन बट सम फैक्टर्स दैट मे हैव some role to play in ADHD. I am telling you in a point. Number one, causes of ADHD. हम आपको यहाँ ADHD के काजेस बता रहे हैं, ये क्यों होती है लोगों में. नंबर वन, जेनेटिक फैक्टर्स. Research studies have indicated that there is a strong genetic link in ADHD. It is not a disorder that is passed socially. Research studies indicate that. रिसर्च जो बताते हैं हमको, पेरेंट्स, सिबलिंग्स एंड चिल्ड्रन of people suffering with ADHD. Thanks, have a nice day.